Hello children, welcome to our English class. Children, in today's class, we will do the reading practice of vowel E. And you know the sound of vowel E is E and E, both the sounds. Let's quickly read these sentences. The first sentence is B-E-N, Ben. B-N, Ben, B-E-N, Ben. Her as, has, H-E-N, which says, as you can see in the picture also, there is a boy whose name is Ben, who has a hen. Ben has a hen. Ben has a hen. Ben, L-O-V-E-S, is loves. Loves. Ben loves his. H-I-S, his, P-E-T, pet. Pet. Which pet does our Ben have? He has a hen. Ben has a hen. The next sentence is, the hen is red. R-E-D, red. Come on, check the color of the hen. Is it red? Yes? Okay. So let's read further. It lays, lays an egg in the N-E-S-T, nest. It lays an egg in the nest. It lays an egg in the nest. Let's read further. Ben, S-E-L-S, sells. Ben sells for, F-O-R, for a yen. Y-E-N. Yen means money. Y-E-N says. Now, let's quickly look at the next picture. You can see a boy, some pens in his hand. You know, children, that this boy has some pens in his hand. H and E says, a long sound of E, E. He is Ben. He is Ben. Ben has 10 pens. How many pens? 10 pens. The pens are red. The pens are red. Ben has, F-I-V-E is 5. 5 red pens. Ben has 5 red pens in, B-O-T-H is both, the hand. Isn't it interesting, children? Yes? Okay. Now, children, keep on reading these sentences again and again, because practice makes a man perfect, and you all will become so perfect in reading. All are enjoying learning different sounds of the vowels with me. Yes, children? Good. Now it's time to say bye-bye.